One of the things we found when we first started flying for blast videos was that changed the game for us. I mean, that gave us a whole new bird's eye perspective using these DJI drones to capture our blast videos. It quickly became the gold standard for video in our blasts. And the other thing we found is that that the drones were easy to fly, they were safe, they were quick. There were so many advantages to them that we quickly found ourselves looking for other opportunities to utilize drones in our operations. One of the things we found is, the ability to build these 3D models, which was amazing. And, they say that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, I think when we look at these 3D models built with drones, that they're worth 10,000 or 100,000 words. You can show so much. There's so much information there. So we're just excited to talk about how we're using drones in drilling, blasting, and mining today. And we first started using the drones to capture blast videos, and then we found this ability to build these 3D models. And so then we were looking for other opportunities to use the drones, these models. And that's where we really found Strayos. Strayos had built these tools and capabilities for drilling, blasting, and mining. And so immediately, at least for myself, I started using it for profiling our blast faces, basically looking at kind of how much rock is in front of these holes along this rock face to help us optimize our blast designs. And that quickly morphed into being able to design entire blast patterns in Strayos, and being able to do mine planning in Strayos, and then being able to do post-blast predictions and analysis. I mean, things that we that at one point, if it was possible, it was usually difficult to do those post-blast analyses. Now they became a reality, and even a kind of a regular occurrence. It just really transformed everything for us.